GoDaddy is moving to AWS.
And Microsoft adds Serial Console to Azure Portal.
These stories and more are coming up on this week's Liftr Cloud News Roundup, Friday, March 30th.
Welcome to another edition of the Cloud Roundup on LiftrNews.com. I'm Shaylee Webb.
And I'm Corey Bowling. Let's take a look at some interesting changes in the cloud this week and how they impacted the Liftr Index.
This week's Liftr Index composite score had incremental increases over the last week. This is largely due to changes with Azure and AWS sentiment scores, which are calculated by data from Gartner Ratings and Twitter social listening. The overall health of the public cloud industry is on the rise. Here are two major stories that have impacted the sentiment scores for AWS and Azure.
GoDaddy and Amazon were once fierce competitors in the small business realm, but a new multi-year deal will bring most of GoDaddy's infrastructure to AWS. The deal does not include the management of its customers' 73 million domains. GoDaddy will continue to manage its core business itself. GoDaddy's other customer services, including hosting and management tools, are going to be moving over to AWS bit by bit over the next few years. The move comes less than a year after GoDaddy closed its own cloud server business, a service that the domain management company once hoped would enable it to compete more directly with Amazon.
Microsoft has launched a new Serial Console for its Azure users. This tool, which has been highly requested by Microsoft customers, allows IT technicians to access a console for virtual machines on the platform in the event that they get stuck and fail to boot. This is an important factor in Azure's overall reliability and sentiment ratings among IT professionals, especially among those used to working with local servers where accessing the console is a natural troubleshooting tool.
And that's it for this week's Roundup on LiftrNews.com. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@liftrnews.com.